All right, my baby. We're vlogging right now. Where?
In Bologna.
Oh my God, welcome back.
Sorry about the mic. We're gonna
fix it.
Yep.
Yeah, sure.
So
welcome back.
Yeah, thank you. It's been a while I've vlogged here.
Yeah. You're feeling at home right now.
Yeah, dude. Every time I come here, it's like home, you know?
Yeah.
This city is just amazing.
Yeah, and in some square like we are right now, it's so quiet.
Well, during the day, I think during the night,
it's
a lot.
Yeah.
It's different, you know?
It's different.
What are we doing today?
Vlog
Vlog about what?
about.
This is like your first vlog in English, like all the vlog in English. So, are you going to do this like half and half for your channel?
For my channel, no.
This is Arabic.
This is Arabic. So
Okay,
let's get started. Oh my God. سلام راجعتسيك كديرين كده حاجتكم البدنية والنفسية ديالكم مزيانة. اليوم فلوج سبيسيال غنتلاقى مع واحد الدري اللي فلوجر تا هو عنده مع التصوير وما إلى ذلك. غنتلاقاو معاه وغنوري لكم وغادي نتعرفوا عليه انسيامي وكيف العادة.
So Otman asked me to give him a hand with his vlog today.
Yeah.
His camera is in assistance. He's repairing it.
Yeah.
And
sure,
he needs you know, a cameraman and stuff like that. So we're basically gonna double vlog on this one, right?
Yeah, like English Moroccan.
Yeah. I'm gonna learn some Moroccan words.
Sure. Yeah, for sure, dude.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
We are going to fly the drone.
Okay.
And put it in the air because look at this light. The light is amazing. It's sunset. And we have like 10 minutes, so we'd better do it, okay? You know, I always feel like I lose it when I can't see it anymore. It's like, where the fuck is it? This is just... Ooh, the birds also. Fuck yeah. And
Look
now,
at him.
And now, my friend. Now. This is the most amazing sunset Bologna has ever seen.
Oh, fallo.
We've lost it. Now he's coming.
Alright, my baby. A lot of people asked me how should I do, how can I do my YouTube channel or photography and blah blah blah. So, and I decided to make a collaboration with you and talking about this stuff, and you can also because you are good enough in photography and b-roll and cinematic, so that's why
Okay.
that's why you are here. So
Okay. So basically, I'm okay. So it's gonna be like a conversation about video making and photography and stuff, and getting started. Really.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Cool.
Because a lot of people nowadays wanna start video on YouTube channel of photography, in general. So and they need some help or
push.
Push. Yeah.
Okay, cool. We're gonna do that. Okay. Yep. If you want to see the conversation, go over to his channel. Sorry about the bells. Go to his channel and watch it, and leave it a like, something. Tell him that I sent you. Yeah, that's gonna be it.
Yeah.
Mr. Otman here is doing
Yeah.
a super big giveaway.
All right. Yes. Yeah.
So he's giving away a tablet.
tablet.
Go ahead.
All right. So what you need, what do you need to do? It's like follow me in on YouTube channel and also on Instagram, and that's it. That's all. That's easy peasy, chopping easy. Yeah.
Coffee time. Salah. Wait. When you say it, it's like Right, so we finished filming everything. I think we kind of rushed it a little bit. I feel like we've rushed it because we didn't have time.
No,
'Cause
absolutely. Because we started around like sunset.
We started around 5, more or less.
Yeah.
5. Tried the drone. We got a couple of nice shots of Bologna at sunset, and that took some time. Then we shot some B-roll, and that took a lot of time.
A lot. Yeah.
And I don't know, just time flew by. When you have fun, when you're doing something that's interesting and you're enjoying it, you don't even realize how fast time goes by.
But
But what?
but when we started like the vlog, it's like
We didn't actually have an idea. We just improvised.
improvise.
We improvised a lot. And I really enjoyed this. I think it's cool when you get 2 people, 2 creatives to work together. It's interesting how we can learn from each other, you know?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Like talking and stuff about how to film stuff, and we can help each other film better than when you're like by yourself. And overall, it felt good, and I think we're gonna do more videos together, right?
Sure, yeah. The pleasure is mine.
Yeah. See you next time, guys.